In today's video, I'll show you how to edit your WooCommerce product page so it matches your brand and gives customers a smooth shopping experience. This is one of the best ways to personalize your store and make your products stand out. So let's get started. Head into your WordPress dashboard and look to the left side menu. Hover over Appearance and select Editor. This opens the site editor, also known as the Gutenberg full site editor, where you can customize different parts of your site using simple drag and drop blocks. In the top left menu, click Templates. This section controls all structural layouts. Look for the product or single product template. If it's already there, click it to start editing. If you don't see it, just create a new one. Click Add New Template, choose Single Item, then select Product. WordPress will generate a default WooCommerce product layout for you. Now you'll see the main product page design with WooCommerce blocks like product title, image, price, short description, rating, stock status, add to cart button, and product meta. You can rearrange anything by dragging the blocks into the order you prefer. You can also add new blocks if you want to include elements like product categories, related products, or store policies. Next, fine-tune the design. Use the right sidebar to adjust spacing, fonts, colors, and background styling so everything feels consistent with your brand. Tools let you create a professional, clean, and easy to navigate product page without touching code. Once your layout looks the way you want, make sure to save your changes. The Save button is in the top right corner of the editor. Click it and your new product page design will go live instantly. And that's it. You've successfully customized your WooCommerce product page and created a more polished shopping experience for your customers.